Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide apps on the Redmi A5. Now if you open the settings app and if you search hide apps in the settings app, you will not find the option to hide apps in the settings app, which means that the Redmi A5 does not have a built-in hide app feature. But if you want to hide apps on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Now in the search bar, just search Microsoft Launcher. From here, just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, just tap on Get Started. Now just tap on While using the app. Now just give this app this permission. From here, just tap on Go to Settings. Now just tap on Microsoft Launcher. From here, just enable this toggle. Now once you do that, just tap on Continue and tap on Skip. From here, just tap on OK. Now just tap on Let's Go and tap on Set as Default. From here, just select Microsoft Launcher. Now once you have done that, just swipe up and open the app drawer. Now from here, to hide the apps, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now just tap on Hidden Apps. Now from here, as you can see, there are no hidden apps available. Just tap on Hide Apps to hide apps. From here, just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. And once you have done that, just tap on Done. Now as you can see, we have successfully hidden these apps on our smartphone. Now as you can see, you will not find the hidden apps on your home screen or on your app drawer. Just like that. Now to find the hidden apps, just go back and open the app drawer. From here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on Hidden Apps. From here, as you can see, these are all the apps which you have hidden. And this is how you can hide apps on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.